Today we're going to be addressing a problem that your laptop is not turning on. Do this all the time, and these initial steps that we take we're going to apply to all brands of laptops. First, disconnect the AC adapter and remove the battery. Hold power button for 15 seconds depending on the type of battery your laptop has. You may or may not have to remove it. Hold down the power button for 15 to 30 seconds to drain any residual power from the laptop.